Hello students, good afternoon everyone and welcome back to the classes of QABD 1. In this video we are going to work out a problem on computation of median for a continuous series data. Continuous series statistical data ge continuous series frequency distribution ge median anna yav reeti calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So it's pretty simple. Let's look at the question here. From the following data compute median, and they have given a small table with two rows. In first row they have given life, that is in years, and they are talking about number of bulbs, that means life of the bulb. So 15 to 16 is the first group, that means 15 to 16 years, 16 to 17 years, 17 to 18, 18 to 19 and 19 to 20. So it is the class intervals, they are in continuous series and number of bulbs has been given. For this data we have to calculate median. Before calculating median, we have to make it sure that the class intervals are in exclusive series. ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಖಚಿತಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 15 to 16. The second class interval is again starting from 16. That means the upper class limit of first class interval is equal to the lower limit of the second class interval. That means it is in exclusive series of class intervals only. So we need not worry. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. 17 17 yes, 18 18, 19 19 yes. So every class interval is in exclusive series only. So you need not do any additional correction here. Now let's go to the solution part. We should calculate cumulative frequencies, less than cumulative frequencies. LCF andre less than cumulative frequencies. For the solution table, bring the first and second columns as usual from the question. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಮೊದಲ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. One is class interval and the next one is frequency. The third additional column which we add in your answer is less than cumulative frequency. How do we calculate this? We keep on adding the frequencies one to the other. For the first cumulative frequency and cumulative frequency will be same. Therefore 22. Cumulative frequency will also be 22 only. While going to the next one, that 22 is added to 35. 22 is added to 35. So 22 plus 35, that becomes 57. 57. Next, that 57 is added to the next frequency. So 57 plus 54, that becomes 111. 111. Now 111 should be added with the next frequency, that is 46. So 111 plus 46, that should become 157. Now that 157 is added to the last frequency, so 157 plus 33, that should become 190. So I hope you understood the process of computing cumulative frequencies. Just keep on adding the frequencies, that's it. And now you should total the frequency column, summation f, sum total of frequency column should be n, that is 190. Normally, always the last cumulative frequency will be your total. The last cumulative frequency will be your total. See, 190, that is also 190. So we have got the n value 190. Then we have calculated cumulative frequencies also. Now let us find out median class. To find out median class, you should be calculating n by 2. Median class is nothing but size of n by 2th term, n by second term. So n divided by 2. What is the value of n here? We got 190. So n by 2 means 190 by 2. That means we will get 95. n by 2 ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. n by 2 is the median class. So 190 by 2 we got 95. Now we are going to find that 95 in the cumulative frequency column. That n by 2 value 95, that should be found in the cumulative frequency column from the top. Look at the first frequency, it is 22. So do we have 95 in 22? No, it's not possible. Then 57, no, it's not possible. 111, yes, you have 95 in 111. ಈ 95 n by 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದು ಇವು ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ 111 you are having that 95, so this will be your median class. This will be your median class. So n by 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಡ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ 17 to 18. 17 to 18 is the median class interval. This is the median frequency and median cumulative frequency. Now let us proceed to compute the median by using the formula. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. M stands for median, and what is L? L is the lower class limit of the median class. L is the lower class limit of the median class. Which is median class? We have identified this is the median class, and lower limit of median class means 17. So this 17 should be the value of L, lower limit of the median class. Then where is n by 2? You have n by 2 here, 95. You just now calculate it. Then f is the frequency of median class. F is the frequency of median class, that is 54. Then Cf is the previous cumulative frequency just above the median class. Just above the median class, the cumulative frequency is termed as previous cumulative frequency. Median class ಇದು median class ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ that will be taken here. L.E. this 57 is taken here, cumulative frequency, and this 54 is taken here, frequency, and this L is taken here, 17, and n by 2 is taken here, 95. So we got all. Then I is the class width of median class. Class width. Class width is nothing but the difference between upper and lower limits. The difference between upper and lower limit of the median class is called I. That means 18 minus 17, that is 1. So that 1 is taken here. Now let us solve this. 95 minus 57 subtract ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, divided by 54, you will get 0.7037. ಅದನ್ನು 17ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you should be getting 17.7037. that should be your median answer. So very simple process. Continuous ಸೀರೀಸ್ಗೆ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆನಂತರ n by 2 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆ n by 2 ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. Once you find the median class, you can identify the value of L frequency and previous cumulative frequencies. Then apply the formula m equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into I. So after solving that, you will be getting the final median answer. Hope you understood. We will stop this video here.